Welcome back everyone. Apple just released the latest iOS system, iOS 16. Maybe you can't wait to upgrade to iOS 16. But some of you might found out that when you tap on software update, it's just saying your iOS is up to date. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Method 1. View supported models. Higher iOS will require a higher iPhone processor. So you need to check if your device supports the upgrade to iOS 16. If you're pretty sure that your device is still available for an iOS 16 update. Let's move on. Method 2. Remove iOS 16 beta profile. If you're running an iOS 16 beta version right now, you probably can't get the formal iOS. Just go Settings. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management. And remove the profile, then restart your device. When it boots, try again. Method 3. Check Wi-Fi. This is a basic requirement for upgrades. If your Wi-Fi doesn't work or is bad, Apple can't accept your upgrade request, much less give you a response. Then you need to go switch to another valid Wi-Fi. Method 4. Check apps using WLAN and mobile data. This is something that many people miss out on. Tap it and make sure settings is using both WLAN and mobile data. Method 5. Reset network settings. Perhaps the network status of your cellular device is impaired. Just go Settings. General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Then reconnect the Wi-Fi when it boots. Method 6. Update with ReiBoot. If you have a computer, then things can be easily solved. There is a very convenient tool called Share ReiBoot. It can help you update your phone to iOS 16 without losing data. Check out the download link in description below. Connect your device to computer. Open ReiBoot and click Start. Then choose Standard Repair. ReiBoot will automatically fetch the iOS 16 firmware for you, and what's more, the whole process won't cause any data loss. So you don't need to back up your device. The whole process will take 10 minutes or so. Just wait patiently and keep your device connected. Well done! You have successfully upgraded. Let's check it. I'll simply skip up the settings parts and we head to the home screen. And that's it. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next video.